Hi guys, this is Vidur and I'm a senior systems engineer in Juniper Networks for Mist Wireless. In today's video, we'll try to understand the fourth SLE, that is coverage, and understand what it means and how to configure that and what to look for if something is wrong. Okay, so this is the Mist dashboard. As we know, we have a live demo site and I've already changed the time to last 7 days, so we have some good data on the site. And we're going to talk about the coverage SLE. Let me just zoom in so that you are able to view it properly. If you put a question mark, it says coverage is the percentage of time the average of the received signal strength from all the clients on the network is better than the threshold. So what it means is, at any time, the coverage defined in the goal has to be met by every client on the ground. Okay, let's go and check the settings here. If I click on that, I'll be able to set. I get the option to set the threshold for me. So my goal is minus 66 dBm, which basically means any client on the network should be at minus 66 dBm at all times, whether he's at the cell edge or at the center of the cell. Anywhere he should be able to meet this requirement. Okay, I can of course do a drag of the slider and change my goal if I want to, which is possible, but yeah, I'm good this way. Let me just keep it to minus 66 dBm. All the clients falling in this threshold will be marked as positive, as a positive percentage in the SLE. Any client which is not able to meet this goal will be marked as the negative in the percentage. Right. Okay. So what happens is, I mean, guys, we all understand that the asynchronous communication is not something that we want. Let's say a client talking to an AP would be an uplink communication. The AP talking to the client would be a downlink communication. Okay. So if we don't want there to be any sort of asymmetry in the link, we want the data rate at which the client is connected and talking to the AP. The same data rate the AP should also be talking to the client. That's what the goal is. That's what we understand. And of course, if there's a weak signal happening anywhere, there's a coverage problem or the weak signal at any cell edge, then that is also something which is captured. So just try to understand this from coverage SLE is very important because of a few things. When you define or when you design a wireless network, right, you do a predictive survey, and then when you deploy the network, you go and do a post deployment survey and understand how things are on the ground in reality when the clients have also come and joined. Okay, so you do a site survey to understand that. Now, in all practicality, the site survey that you have done, to be very honest, that survey is valid for that particular time only. Wireless is a very dynamic medium. RF is very dynamic. So what you're doing at the moment, at that time is valid only for that time, and which means the environment will change. More users will come in. So there might be some changes in the infrastructure in the building or on the floor. A lot of changes can happen, which means the signal can become better or can actually worsen, right? So based on that, I mean, we would not recommend you to go and do a site survey every now and then. That's something which is not possible. But what Mist does is Mist has a third radio in the access point, which acts as a sensor radio, which will act as a spectrum analyzer for you in that time. Okay, so it is continuously trying to assess the network and assess the environment and give you results based on what its assessment is, and then helps us understand what the asymmetric downlink problem, or if there's some sort of an asymmetric uplink problem, or it's a weak signal happening. So let me click on weak signal. I see that 20% missing out are mostly because of the weak signal here, in the field. This is a test site anyway. We have APs deployed all over, so I'm not surprised if there's a weak signal problem there happening. It's the percentage signs. We all understand it's the percentage of the problem. We want to check the average value. I would say 10.4, 10.4k user minutes have been lost because of the problem. So user minute is you should understand is 1 minute per device per connection. Okay, so any device connecting, having even a single connection, that and if 1 minute is lost, that's one user minute. So a device can connect multiple times, and then he or she can actually lose out on multiple user minutes as well. So 10.4k user minutes have been lost because of weak signal on this. And of course, if you want to understand, then we basically tell you that there have been 19 users which have faced this kind of a problem on the ground out of 24 there. Okay, so that's what it means. That's what it really understands. The coverage SLEs, guys, is probably one of the most important SLEs in the Mist dashboard at the moment, because it tells you a lot of things about how the clients are behaving on the ground from the RF side. and it will the third radio on the AP will anyway come and help us out and show us a lot of things that are not visible in any other network at the moment. So yes, that's what coverage is all about, and that's what these three things mean. And it's very important for us to have a symmetric connection between the client and the AP. So always remember this: uplink is client talking to the AP, downlink is AP talking to the client. Okay, perfect. So that's what I wanted to check in this video and explain you what this is all about. If you have any questions, drop me a message, an email, and I'll be able to address those questions. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. You have a wonderful day.